Good morning, students. Hope you are able to understand highest common factor or HCF. Now, today we are going to discuss about LCM, least common multiples. As we discussed in multiples in last videos about multiples and factor. What are multiples? Number obtained by multiplying the given number. These type of numbers are known as your multiples. So in this case, we try to obtain least common multiples of the given number. Suppose we are using 3. So for 3 least common multiples, we can use 3 into 1, it's a 3, then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and so on. Then we are using 4. So multiples of 4 are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3, 12, 4 4 16. Now I have written over there 4 multiples of 3 and 4, and you will find out which multiple is common in both. Least common means lowest number of the multiple which is common in both the given number. So when you observe, you obtain that in 12 is common multiple in both the cases 3 and 4. So this is the concept of least common multiple. But how you find? It's easiest when we first find out the common factors, then we and uncommon factors separately, then we multiply them together. It is known as your least common multiple. In this case, common factor is 3 into 1. In this case, 4 into 1. So 3 equals to 1 into 3. I am discussing about factors. 4 into 1 into 4. So LCM we can easily write equals to 1 into 3 into 4. It's a 12. So this is how you receive. This is your 12. But we have when we go deep into the process, we discuss we have two processes to find out the LCM, as we have two processes in case of SCM. That is your first prime factorization method, second common division method. So let's discuss about these two methods. Now first process is prime factorization method. I am going to solve one question from your exercise so that you can easily understand the concept. Find the prime factorization find the LCM of 36, 40 and 126. This is one of the questions given in your book as an exercise. So question says that how you must find out the prime factor LCM by prime factorization method. So as we discussed in SCM, in prime factorization method, we only find out the prime factors. Prime factor is other than 1 and non-prime numbers. So try to find out about 36. It's a 2 18 2 9 3 3 we leave as it is because 1 is not required. Then about 40 to 20 to 10 to 5 about 126. It's a 2 6 2 3 then 3 2 3 1 and then 3 7. In all the cases, what we are obtaining that all numbers, all divisors, all factors are prime numbers. So we must write down this as 36 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 40 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, and then 126 equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 So we can write down LCM, least common multiples. Be careful. First, find out the most common, then second common, then non-common. This must be clear to you. So first common one is these two. First common, then second common, these two. Then we have 2, 3 common in these two numbers. We have 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, and then we have 2, 3 common. Then we have left uncommon one, 2, 5, 7. First you wrote that down likewise. Now let me clear the concept. See here, these 2's are common. So here I have written over there. These two, I am talking about these two. These two are common, I have written over here. Then again, these two are common, I have written over here. Then again, these 2, 3 and these 2, 3 are common in 2, I have written over there. Then what left uncommon? These 3 numbers. I left these 3 uncommon numbers. Need not to show these linings and circles in your solution. This is only for your explanation. Now, then LCM equals to, I am going to find out the multiples. Because when you multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 10s are 360, 360 into 7, 7 zeros are, it's 2520. Once again cross check. 7 5s are 35, 35 2s are 70, 73s are 210, 203s are 630, 630, then 1260, then 12 to the 24, 61, 20, 25 to the. This is your prime factorization method. Now we are going to solve this by common division method. It's a division method or common division method you can use. I am using the word only division method. This one is most interesting and easiest one. In this, you simply divide and you can easily get affected. It's the lengthiest one, but that is the easiest one. Choose these 3. How we divide? It's a 36, 40, 126. Most of them divided to 2, 18, 20, 63. Then only 2 divided by 2. So 2 9, 2 10, and this one is not divided by 2. So we note down this as it is. Now again we can divide by 2 this one. So we can easily divide, or we can choose the common divisor. Divided 3 3s are 9, 10 as it is, 3 21. Again what we have, 3 1, 10, and 7. So when we multiply we have the answer. Need not to divide the rest one because 2 into 5 is 10 and we will multiply 10. That's why we are not going to find the factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 10 into 7. First we must divide, must check that first we use the common one. So in this case all 2 is common, in this only 2 is common, so we must write. Then in this 2 3 is common, in this 2 3 is common, so we use 3. Then we multiply each factors, not the prime, each factors. Then we have the same number. It's a 2 5 2 0. This is your finding the LCM by using two methods. Now next discuss more about this one. Now we are going to discuss the next topic, relationship between HCF and LCM. When we observe that product of both means HCF and LCM, you must know about product. Product means multiply. Product of HCM and LCM of any two natural number is always equals to the product of numbers. Any two natural numbers. So this is the relationship between HCF and LCM. Suppose we discussed in previous example 3 and 4. So in 3 and 4, what are the S? In this case, we have only LCM. We use two more, 30 and 48, not 3, 30 and 48. Now, if we try to find out the HCF, it's a 30 equals to 3 into 2 into 5, and 48 equals to is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 6 is 2 into 3. So HCF equals to only 2 and 3. LCM. Now we have to find out LCM. When we cross check it, we get the answer 240. This I know because I know it. Knew it previously. It's a LCM 240. Now we can cross check it. Product of HCF and LCM means 6 into 240 equals to 6 0 0 6 4 24 140, and product of these two, it's a 1440. So these two, this is verified. So this is your concept. First find out the HCF, then LCM, then product of numbers. This is useful in some tricky questions during your math Olympiad and other examinations, competitive examinations. From this we can easily find out the numbers. Suppose, or we can easily write down HCF into LCM equals to first number into second number. Into second number. Now move to the exercises 4.5. Now I think you are able to solve question number 1 and 2 that is given, finding the LCM by using prime factorization method and finding the LCM by division method. Now we are going to discuss question number 3. Now we are going to discuss question number 3. In this question it says that find the least number which when increased by 15, means which when increased by 15 is exactly divisible by 15, 35 and 48. First, increased by 15. Increased by 15. Exactly divisible by, it's a 30, 15, 35 and it's a 48. So class, in this case what we do, we first, it is determinable divisible, means we have to find out the multiples, then only we are able to divide that number by using these three, because if number is less than these three, it's not divided by these three. In case of division, in case of divisible by of these three common numbers, we must use the multiples. So in this case, we are going to find out the LCM. So LCM of 15, 35, 48. We use the common division method. 15, 35 and 48. It's there is no two common, so only 3 5s are no common, and 3 1 is 3, 3 16 are. Then 5 we have common, 5 1 are, 5 7 are, and then 16. Now when we multiply, it's 16 5s are, it's 18. Then 80 3s are 240 and 247 are 247 are equal, so 7 1680 LCM. This is the LCM of these three numbers, and remember this number, that is 1680. Mathematically 1680 is wrong one. It's a 1680 is divisible, the lowest multiple which is divisible by these three numbers. And question says that find the least number which when increased by 15 is exactly divisible. Means what? We add 15 to obtain this number. Means to obtain that number, obtain the asked question, we must subtract this one. So required number equals to 1680 minus 15. It's 165. 7 minus 1 is 1665. This is your required number. Now we are going to discuss question number 5. In this question it says that find the least number which when divided by, there are four numbers 24, 36, 45, 54, leaves a remainder 5 in each case. Find the least number which when divided by these numbers leaves a remainder of 3 in each case. So means what? What number we obtained, that is 3 more. In previous question 3 less, in this question 3 more. So first find out the LCM. We are going to find out the LCM. 24, 36, 45, 54. We use common division method. We have 3 even numbers. Then again we have 2 even numbers. Now we have no pair of even numbers, so we choose odd number. 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 15s are, 9s are. Then again we have 3 1s are, 5s are, 3s are. No common number, leave as it is. Multiple of LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into the non-common. 1 is a prime number, we are not going to use that one. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 2 5 and 10. 36 10 is a 360 into 3. It's a 1080. This is the LCM. Means this number is divided by these three. But question says that this when we divide by this number, we have remainder. Means what? That number must be greater than 3 greater than 1080. So required number equals to 1080 plus remainder. It's 3. 1083. This is 1 to question number 1 to 5. That's all for today. All of you solve question number 1 to 5 of 4.5 in your fair copy. 4.5 question 1 to 5. Solve these questions in your fair copy.